Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can create a justified text or text box in your video clips on Wondershare Filmora. For example, make a justified alignment. So let us guide you through this. So just navigate to a video project and left click into the text box here on your timeline. You can do this also by clicking into the preview window and then click into titles here. And under the text formatting options you will see these alignments: left, centered, right. So you can go also with align justified, and it would look like that. So if I keep typing, right, for example, skip to the next line, it would look like that with a justified alignment, right? Press enter, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, the text covers basically the entire text box, right? So that's not the same as centered or left or right. It would look like this instead. Right, so that's a justified alignment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.